if you are a beginner and you have no any experience about programming, so my suggestion to you is start your programming journey with C and C++, because C and C++ is close to hardware, and C++ is a widely used programming language. C and C++ is one of the fastest programming language, so that use in competitive programming, because many people like code in C and C++. So now talking about the best language for competitive programming, so C or C++ is a good language for competitive programming. So my suggestion to you that you can start with C++, because C++ is a widely used programming language, and it is also middle level programming language.